Okay, this is the 27 squat drill. So you're gonna start off with shoulder width apart, feet straight, go to squat. All right, now toes out, toes in. All right, good. Now stagger your legs. Squat, toes out, toes in. All right, switch sides. Toes out, yep. Whoa, toes in. Okay, back to normal stance. Now we'll do the same pattern, but wide. So go wide, yep. Feet straight, squat. Toes out. Toes in. Okay, now stagger wide. Yep. Toes out. And in. Switch sides. And out. And in. All right, last round, so feet together. So narrow stance now. Squat. Yep, back up and out. And in. This one can feel pretty awkward. Now go into a tandem stance, so heel to toe, feet straight. Squat there. Toes out. And in. All right, last set, switch your feet. So this really challenges basically all the joints of the legs. So it's a great warm-up, and you've also just done 27 squats.